Hi, my name's Scott Ryers with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. To do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived AR195 Yamaha. This boat is the AR195, so it has the supercharged high output motor. It's got the wakeboard tower, being the AR series. Gonna do a little back here. Awesome about the Yamaha is you got the nice hangout area here with the nice sea decking on the AR. Hop up in here on the boat. Got a nice little step through, huge cockpit lounge seating area, nice bench seat on here for the passenger. In-floor storage. Cockpit, you have the 5-inch touchscreen, phone holder, stereo setup, everything here in the cockpit. Really easy to maneuver and handle. Simple features. Right here you got the table that is removable. You can sit here at the table. You got the bow here, you got the bow filler cushion. There is a double bow filler. You can take those in or out. Nice snap-in woven sea flooring. Got your cockpit speakers up front. Very nice, fun boat, sporty. Wakeboards, ski, tube, hang out and cruise. Just an all-around great boat. This boat's going to be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-9005, or of course come to the store and check it out. It's been a long time waiting, but we have a bunch of Yamahas in stock, so let's come and see them.